Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be installing the cheapest coilovers you can find on eBay. So let's get this video started with the unboxing.
Alright, so we got the JDM Speed RSX coilovers, and I bought them for I think 350 bucks on eBay. You can't really adjust the stiffness on them, but they're pretty good, I guess. We'll see how they work on the RSX.
Alright guys, so we're going to do the unboxing real quick, so stay tuned. So what do you say?
I bought these ones and they sent me different coilovers.
Hold on, I can't see this shit. So you bought those ones and they sent us those ones. So it's the same shit, right? Why are you tripping?
I'm just saying.
Alright guys, so we got the box opened up. Coilovers, just by looking at it, looks pretty good quality. I don't know if it comes with spinner wrenches. Does it come with spinner wrenches? Alright, take one out real quick. Take one out.
Oh yeah, right there.
Alright, take one out. One at the rear?
Yeah, these are rear.
Yeah, that's not bad. Really pretty good quality.
Yeah.
Only if, yeah, okay. Alright, bet. Alright guys, so we're gonna get all of them taken out the packaging and we're gonna have them laid out and then we'll get started. So basically all we've done so far is just took off the tires. We loosened all the bolts because this car has 200,000 miles on it. Everything's original. This we bought it stock, so this is a new car for us too. So first mod is coilovers. We also have exhaust coming. We got other stuff coming.
Skunk 2, Skunk 2 Mega Power exhaust.
So yeah, we have the 3-inch pipe. 3-inch pipe, that's the best sounding exhaust in my opinion for RSXs or any Honda. Alright, so this is our first video we're making on the channel. This is our car channel right here. It's my brother right here. So we got a bunch of cars lined up. We got a BRZ, we got an IS300. So far we're gonna be doing the RSX first because the IS300 we have more stuff on the way. Let's get started with this install video. Let's get everything laid out, and yes sir. Alright guys, so we got them all laid out and everything. So these are the fronts, these are the rears, and just looking at it, just for the first looks without even installed, these are pretty good quality for what they are. For 300 bucks, can't complain too much. And put that shit up there.
Oh, go more.
Oh shit.
Just like behind us.
Alright, so we're gonna get these loosened up. Then this video we're not gonna show you how to do it because there's plenty of videos on how to do it way better than us, but it's pretty simple. So we're gonna go through the steps.
Alright, so we got both of these off.
Okay.
So now this should come off.
Damn, that thing is huge. What the hell? That's like a semi-truck, bro. Look at that thing. Wow, look at that. That thing is massive, bro. Alright, so we got them in finally. They're weird. They're directional. They only fit one way. Like my Lexus, you can put them in either way, but this is a different car, so I don't know why I'm comparing it. But we got one nut in, so what we're gonna do now? Does it fit?
Tie rod.
Alright, so the tie-in rod, we're gonna put that in real quick. And then, did you get it in? It's not going in, right? Oh no, that's fine. Then you gotta tighten it and it'll tighten myself.
Alright.
And then, so...
I'll put this one.
Yeah, we gotta get a jack for that. Alright, we'll be back when we get everything on.
So, we're lowering the car without the tie rods. These are stock tie rods, so...
I think we told them, bro.
Just making sure.
So you straight. Trash like Honda. Alright, so this is how it's looking like so far. We got it all in. So I guess we'll see you guys on the rears. Alright guys, so it is the next day officially. Last night it got a little too hot. We got the front done. Both fronts are done. We also got the rear done of this side. Like I said, we're gonna show you how to do the other side because it's not a how-to video, but we got one side done. So it's crazy hot over here. I'll show you how hot it is. It's I a record heat wave apparently for Washington. Let me show you how hot it is real quick. 100 degrees in Washington, and tomorrow it's supposed to be fucking 108, 115, which is crazy, which is really insane for Washington. So, with that being said, we're gonna be doing the rears, and then after that, we're pretty much done with this.
Screwdriver out.
So we got the trunk basically stripped for this side. So we did this side, like I was saying. So all it is, you gotta take out the rear plastic piece, and then right there is the new one, but the old one should look just like that. Should have the two nuts right there, and should come out. And then, so we're just gonna get this off while I explain what we do to loosen it down here. So basically, all we gotta loosen down here, I think that's the well, I'm not even sure what that is, but we gotta get these two, this bolt loose, and just a shock bolt. What'd you find? Wait, what'd you find that?
It was in there. It's an air freshener.
It is air freshener, bro.
It was just chilling in the little seat.
Still smells pretty good. Smell it. Let's taste this. Bro, it went right back in there, fool. Alright guys, so we got the old ones out in the rear. So now we're gonna put the new one in. So here's the new one. Same thing, same process. Gonna put it in, put the bolts on, the nuts on top, and then tighten everything bottom, and then we'll be back when the car is on the ground. Alright guys, so the coils are installed. So like I said, these are cheap coils you can buy on eBay for literally like what, 350 bucks? 350. So the lowering rate, you know, is not going to be too much. We weren't too surprised, but here's the rear. This is max lowered. So our goal is not to go static. We're gonna go like track fitment. For example, we're gonna be going like this kind of fitment right here. So with 18s and thick tires, we should achieve that. And then the front is all the way maxed out as well. And this is tucking a little bit. So this is what we were kind of this is what we were looking for, but we didn't really get it. But like we said, we're just gonna go like the track fitment, like the IS300 over there. That's our goal for this car. So we're gonna raise up the fronts probably like an inch or two maybe. And that's probably gonna be the end of this video, guys. This is pretty much just showing you how these cheap coils do, and we'll obviously make a little update video later down the road how they are, and then we'll obviously gonna get wheels for it. We have exhaust coming for this car. We're gonna be doing that as well. So fuck, it's hot as shit. It's still like 89 degrees, man. I swear to God.
I think 90 actually.
Huh?
I think 90 right now.
What is it?
90 right now.
Yeah, it's fucking 9 degrees right now. So I'm gonna end this shit here, guys. So thanks for watching the first video, or first car video, and catch you next time.